Hi everybody, Vince Torchia, Vice President of the Grow Group, here to bring to you a great idea. Hey, it's May, and for many of our clients, this is the busiest time of the year. And during this busy time of the year, many of our clients are focused on executing. And when you get in this execution mode, you have a tendency to come in and have an S on your chest and try to save the day and save projects that aren't going the way you want them to go. But we're missing a key opportunity here to train our team. So this week, if you find yourself swooping in and taking something from someone else who didn't do it maybe the way you wanted them to do it, take a step back, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, did I train this person properly to do this from the beginning? Did I give them a timeline to do this? Did I give them a deadline to do this? And again, resist the urge to just jump in and take over the project, because yes, you're getting a short-term gain and the project's getting done, but you're suffering in the long term because now it's only on you to get things done and your team is not going to learn if you continually swoop in and do things. So take a deep breath, continue to execute, but focus on training your team, setting timelines, and setting deadlines. As always, if there's anything at the Grow Group we can help you with, send us an email at grow@growgroupinc.com. We'd be happy to help you. Have a great week.